Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 BMW X5 sDrive35i. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power folding heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, deep tinted glass, step rails, and much more. 19-inch light alloy wheels, run flat all-season tires, speed-sensitive rain-detecting wipers with heated jets, fully automatic headlamps, and a turbocharged 6-cylinder with only 48,159 miles. The power liftgate, the wiper, large LED brake lights, parking sensors, a very spacious cargo area with a cargo cover, and a comfortable back seat with climate control. We can't forget about the power dual sunroof, the front row power heated Sensatech bucket seats with driver memory, a push-button start, full service internet, a valet function, a garage opener, a tracking system, a power leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, the multimedia and navigation system with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.